Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for our last episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the video where we talked about the true story of cheerleading in the United States. Now it's time to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Did cheerleading begin with women in high schools? No, it actually began with male students at universities. Was the first organized cheerleading scene in the late 1800s? Yes, it started at the University of Minnesota. Did cheerleading become more popular during World War II? Yes, especially when women began taking over the role. Is cheerleading only about waving pom-poms and shouting chants? No, it also includes tumbling, stunts, and dance. Is cheerleading considered a competitive sport in the U.S.? Yes, competitive cheerleading is very serious and athletic. Do cheerleaders only perform at football games? No, they also compete, perform at rallies, and appear in parades. Has cheerleading never been shown in American movies or shows? No, it's a big part of American pop culture. Is there a movement to recognize cheerleading as an Olympic sport? Yes, cheerleading is pushing to be included in the Olympics. Do cheerleaders train only once a week? No, they train many hours to prepare their routines. Does cheerleading build leadership and confidence? Yes, it helps develop skills like teamwork, discipline, and self-esteem. Watch this video again to reinforce what you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on more exciting videos about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.